You should only be using water when making fried chicken instead of buttermilk or eggs. That's why your batter keeps falling off. I know it sounds a bit confusing, but just let me explain. First, you want to start off by making a brine for the chicken. To some water, add a lot of salt, a little bit of brown sugar, minced garlic, and some whole black peppercorns. Whisk it until all the salt dissolves, throw your chicken in there, and let this brine overnight. To 2 cups of all-purpose flour, add 2 tablespoons of onion powder, garlic powder, some mustard powder, a little bit of ginger powder, black pepper, a good amount of seasoning salt, and some cayenne pepper to give it a nice kick. Whisk it thoroughly. And this is where the water comes in. Get a good amount of all-purpose flour and pour in there enough water to get a thick consistency like this. And this is the actual way how Korean fried chicken is usually made, but slightly different. Take your chicken out of the brine and pat it dry completely. Toss your chicken into that batter we made, and this is where the Korean fried chicken method ends because they usually put it in the fryer, but we're going to put it back into that seasoned flour. Now fry it at 325 degrees, and the chicken is now done. If this would have been buttermilk, the batter would have flew off easily, and it wouldn't stay as crispy as it is. Never use buttermilk or eggs again. I hope this was useful, and enjoy.